There she is, boys. Look at all the hands we got today.
Hey!
And basketball head over here.
Ooh, yeah.
Anyways, we had a bit of a morning. We did some filming and then we figured we'd fire up this washer. Turns out it was full of air codes, so... Air codes, that's kind of a cool
Master
word.
electrician.
Send me the air codes. Anyways, so... Yeah, we did some YouTubing, some tutorialing. Mark, you know, threatened... What's the word I'm looking for? He almost got electrocuted. But we ripped it off, changed up the wires, and we got it figured out now. So now, unfortunately, we can't skip cycles in this thing, so we gotta wait 20 minutes. Yeah, so we even had to fill it with water so it's happy. These LG washers, they're finicky.
They won't let you throw a cinder block in.
No, they don't want the cinder block, so we're gonna throw this freaking cinder block in it. So we're gonna have to wait a bit until she gets into the spin cycle.
I tell ya, it smells.
I bet it smells good.
Oh my god.
I bought it off a Russian guy, so there's a little there's probably some vodka in there, but yeah, we'll get her going and we'll put a drink in there.
There's no clothes in there. It's already filthy.
It's dirty.
Well, we're washing up.
Yeah.
Oh, they got a bit of us.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, we're leaking. As long as we don't get any more air codes or electrocuted.
Yeah.
All right, let's do her. So we finally figured out how to skip the whole cycle. Now we're in the spin cycle. We're just waiting for it to warm up.
And basketball head over here is gonna dump her in.
Lucky you got your helmet on.
Hey, dump the load. Oh, here she goes.
Okay.
All right.
You think she'll go faster than that? Oh
That's
yeah.
pretty quick, dude.
Yeah, that's pretty quick. That brake might be too heavy.
Yeah, we might have to break the
Yeah,
brake.
pull it out. That was the best. What? Yeah, we might have to find something smaller.
Can we break that in half?
Yeah?
Okay.
She is tearing it apart.
Maybe we need the smaller ones again.
So small.
I was gonna say, wait till it picks up again.
We should get a pail and pull all those small rocks out.
Just shattered it.
Oh, she's gonna go get
Yeah,
it.
get her going.
Okay.
I don't know how these guys on YouTube made one explode, but this is a lot harder than it looks.
Maybe just throw one rock in.
Okay.
Yeah.
That never goes like.
Is it gonna
first
go
try.
again?
Oh yeah, she's pumping.
Just
She's
trying.
water.
Come on, girl. You watching it?
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Round
Oh, that was dumb.
Where did that?
Oh my god, I give up. Oh god. I guess there's some vibration dampeners in here, so we're gonna take those off and try again. Sorry we failed the first couple times. But
Get your head out of the way.
it's all about R&D here.
I'm trying to look in here.
Justin's prairie dogging in there. Basketball head over here.
Oh,
You
yeah.
should wear that to work today.
I think I might.
By the way, that's $5. So
Yeah.
I owe you $5.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
All right, rip her out. Final attempt. Just one.
go again. It's gonna go again.
We'll take that.
Draining
Take
now.
that
Take
rock
the
out.
rock out.
We're gonna get multiple runs out of this.
Pretty sure the guys on YouTube unbolted everything.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. So that's what should be happening right now. Say put a spring on too, but I think I'm pretty much over this.
Yeah. I feel like
Whatever, we tried.
so-
Sorry
we're
guys.
missing something.
I don't know what it is. Oh, right.
There's the one,
Maybe this dryer's just too good. So, or it's just not fast enough. That might be it. Anyways, we'll wrap this up for now. Thank you guys for the comments, and sorry we didn't be more epic there, but whatever. We're gonna go do more epic stuff
If
anyways.
you know dryer things about dryers,
Washing machines.
both. Whatever.
All
If
right.
you know how to make something fly apart, let us know.
See you later.